Sauce on me. I got drip. I got flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on this channel we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off our debt, and mind our business, and not necessarily in those four order. So if you're interested in learning how to pay off your debt or follow me on my journey to paying off your debt and some tips and tricks, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, liking this video if it was beneficial to you, and leaving your 2 cents down in the comment box below, because baby, okay, get all into it. Now, as you guys can see, I am doing my goals for the year. Yes, I am doing my goals for the year. Think about it, child. I'm doing my goals for the year, and these are my financial goals and my YouTube goals, and I want to write them down because last year I had these goals. I may have written them down, but I don't remember where I put it, and so this book, if you don't know, was gifted to me by my mom, and so I'm keeping this with all of the things that I want to remember, and this book is so cute. So yes, y'all, but without further ado, because this is a long intro, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I checked my YouTube to see when was the last time I uploaded a video prior to me starting my budgeting journey in June of 2023, and y'all, the last time I uploaded a video was May 5th of 2022. I took an entire year off, well 13 months to be exact, but I took an entire year off of YouTube, which is crazy because I'm like, girl, you got this, you can do this, like what is you doing? And so I am making the intention to do better this year, so to be continuous, because I have what it takes, I can do what I need to do, and so yes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with the YouTube goals, and then we're gonna do the financial goals, because the YouTube goals holds us accountable for the financial goals, and it just makes sense in my head to do YouTube first, then go into financial. So here is what we're going to do. So this is gonna be my YouTube goals. So this is YouTube goals. Okay, so my first YouTube goal, which has been my YouTube goal for a couple of years now, a couple of times, is to hit 5,000 subscribers. I don't believe this is impossible. Like, it is not impossible. The problem was me. The problem was never YouTube. The problem was me. And the problem was me because there was not consistency. And so without that, like, you will never, I'm not saying never, but it is less likely for you to accomplish the goal if you're not even working towards the goal. So I do have a plan. Matter of fact, I have a plan that's like 4 or 5 months out from now. So I do have a plan. And right now I'm at 1,277 subscribers. But baby, again, we believe in that we're getting these 5,000 subscribers. So that is my first goal for YouTube. My second goal for YouTube is to be monetized. I'm not gonna lie, I want this to happen because then it helps me with my financial goals that I have, and you know, it will be good to have another form of income, because what you guys will see in my financial goals is to have additional income. So whatever way I can get additional income, I am looking to do that. So if it's through YouTube, if it's through getting a side hobby, getting something, you know, I can do, getting an additional roommate, which I am thinking, well, not thinking, I am in the process of getting my life together so I can have another one, all of those things. So yeah, guys, so that's my goal right now. I'm at, I want to say 2,500 watch hours, and I need a little bit more to get to 3,000, then a little bit more to get to 4,000. So working on it, work in progress. I am not of the mindset that this will happen overnight. Baby, please, this takes work and takes discipline. And so if I don't put in the work, how can I, you know, want the results? Because YouTube is work, but it's not hard work. If it's something that you enjoy, it's literally not hard work, it's just consistent work. So that is what that is for goal 2. Goal 3 for me is to read 3 financial books. Read 3. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. My best friend's calling me. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So my third goal for YouTube is to read 3 financial books with you guys. I think it would be so cool, like if we have a budgeting but also the book reading club, so that guys, budgeting and cash stuffing is not the only form of way to like manage your money. Like gaining the knowledge of managing your money also helps too. So that's why I think it would be cool to read the financial book on here as a group, and we can discuss in the comments and stuff, and you know, all the things. I think that would be great, and I'm actually looking forward to it. I am going to figure out which books I want to use, but that's what I want to do. I want to read 3 financial books with you guys, you know, every week, like, or every video or something, or a specific video, we go over a chapter. It's not going to be long. It's obviously going to be a part of the video, but we go over something together in the book that we learn, and it's on money. So you're learning more about money, and if you have not read the book or read that chapter, at least you can hear from me, because I have to read it. That's the accountability that you guys provide when I make these videos and post them on YouTube, because you will be like, hello, excuse me, Miss Ma'am, knock at the door, what you doing, you know? So I think that would be real cool to include in my YouTube video, so that while we are budgeting and we're doing the cash stuffing and making our budgeting plan, we're also learning the financial like how-tos of the world. My next goal, number 4, is to post 4 videos a week. 4 videos per week. And that means that this is 208 for 2024. 208 videos for 2024, y'all. That's what that means for the year. So 4 videos a week, 52 days, 52 weeks in the year, and 52 times 4 is equal to 208. So 208 videos for the entire year. So I might post more, I might post less, but that is what my amount is for total amount of videos I should be uploading this year. Wow, it's so much, so much. But you know what though? One of the mentors that I look up to, he does a live every single Monday through Friday, regardless of holidays, whatever it is. Like, he got to be having something going on where he doesn't post, and he posts every single day from Monday through Friday. And then on top of that, he does shorts, and then on top of that, he does like short videos, because it's a long format, it's a live. So those live usually last for like 2 hours, 3 hours, and I watch all of them, child. And so he takes snippets, of course, and he makes shorter videos. And then he also, like I said, makes shorts. So, and he also does Instagram. So man is on all levels. So that is my goal that I'm aiming for, but my beginning is to post 4 videos per week on YouTube, right? Now, goal number 5, which is my last goal. Ooh, y'all hear the fireworks? My last goal is to collaborate with one other content creator. That is my last goal of this year. I think for me, I'm so used to like working alone and working by myself, but I know so many like great people, awesome people on this YouTube space, and they are like freaking awesome, and they do their budget different ways and all the things. And so it would be far-fetched to collab with them and do something that, you know, will be beneficial to both of us and to you guys that watch us and support us. So yeah, and I'm not trying to do more than 2 people if I'm doing a collaboration, because I don't want it to be too hard for y'all. So yeah, and I'm really like, I don't know. I'm so much of a do it by yourself girl, and I know that's not realistic because you get so much further with a team. So I'm trying to get out of that space as well. But yeah, guys, but I do want to collaborate with one other content creator this year. I think that's my one goal, like to step out of my normal routine day-to-day YouTube video. And then the other thing that I want to do, which is for my YouTube, is to post more content on other platforms. On other social media platforms. Yeah, I think that's the other thing that I want to do too. Post more content on other social media platforms, because that again would be beneficial to the goals that I have up top here, the 1 and 2 goals that's up top here, and it will be beneficial to whoever comes to the channel because of 3, and then 4 is a goal that I have just for overall posting. 5 also a goal that I have because I tend to be by myself, and then 6 is just something that I want to do or think would be beneficial for my channel. So yes, so those are my YouTube goals of 2024, and now we're gonna move down into my financial goals of 2024. Okay, y'all, so these are my financial goals. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's not that much. It is literally 5 things. It's 5 things, and it's 5 real simple things, and 5 things that I think we would all want if we could. So if we could have them with a, you know, snap of our finger. So yes. So the first one that I have is to pay off my car. Pay off car loan. I want to pay off my car loan. That is my first goal, because that is immediately $401 back into my bank account, because I'm no longer giving it to someone else, and the interest I'm paying to it. So really, I'm paying about $340 on my car, and the other $60 is interest. So, and that's like $400, like I said, back to me. So if I can pay that off this year, perfect. Okay, the next goal that I have is to pay off my credit card, because you know, we got one, we got to have the other. So pay off my credit card is my second goal, and between both of those, y'all, it's $20,000. Between my car loan and my credit card is $20,000 combined. So the goal overall for these two is to become consumer debt free. That would be awesome, perfect, like, again, like beautiful, right? So that's my second goal. My third goal for finance is to save $3,000 in emergency fund. So yeah, that's a little goal. It's above the $1,000 that, you know, Dave Ramsey be telling us to save, but it's a little bit more, and it gives me a little bit more peace. And I'm also doing a bunch of saving challenges, which will go to my emergency fund, so that will hopefully help with completing and getting to that goal, right? And then number 4, which also, like I said, helps number 3 goal, is to complete 5 saving challenges. And if you guys don't know, I did my 2024 saving challenge video. I will post that up so you guys can see. But complete 5 saving challenges. Y'all, that is really popping these fireworks. Yeah, y'all. So complete 5 saving challenges. That is my 4th goal. And then for my last and final goal for financial is to add additional income. Yep, those are my 5 goals. Plain, simple, easy. Like, they don't have too much going on. you know. And so yeah, so this is my 2024 goals, y'all. Not too much for my YouTube and my financial. I do have personal and professional goals. I already written those out, but this is specific to my channel because I do this is YouTube and I do talk about my finances, my budget, so that's why this is specific. But yeah, guys, have you written down your goals for the year? I haven't written down my monthly goals yet, or my quarterly goals. That's what it is. I haven't written down my quarterly goals yet, but I do have what I want to do, you know, in mind a little bit. And so yeah, your girl is getting ready. Your girl is getting ready and doing the things. Like I said, at the time of this recording, it is December 31st, and we are getting prepped and ready for January 1, 2024. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your goals? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope you join the journey. If you are not an oldie but goodie, I hope you hit that subscribe button, join the family, join the journey, because baby, we ready for the ride. We ready for the journey. And we don't know what it's going to be, if it's going to be easy, tough, hard, you know, fun, peaceful. We don't know what it's going to be, but you know what we are? We are ready for the journey. So yeah, guys, so anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in another video. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.